Sisiijebu girl, a content creator based in Lagos State, Nigeria. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I cooked my pottage yam. So the first thing I will do is I will pour some diced pomo with some shrimps, some diced onions with some seasoning cubes and salt into my pot, and I'll allow them to boil together. So I'll get my yam, peel my yam, and I'll cut the yam into bite sizes, and I'll give it a thorough rinse like so. So the pomo and the shrimps are boiled. So what I will do is I will remove them from the cooking pot and set them aside. The same cooking pot, I'll pour the diced yam into the pot like so. I'll add some diced onions. I'll pour some herbs, salt, and seasoning cubes for my pottage yam to be delicious and tasty. I'll pour a little bit of clean water. So my blended pepper mix will go in now. I'll pour some salt, a little bit of salt, because I've already added some salt earlier. So what I will do now, I'll pour my palm oil. I love cooking my pottage yam with palm oil, lovelies. So you can use whatever oil that you prefer. So I will now pour the palm oil like so. Yummy, yummy pottage yam that I'm cooking. So my yam is boiled now. I will get a matcher and I'll match this yam thoroughly. All I want is a succulent pottage yam. So my yam is almost ready. So what I will do now is I'll pour some diced sausages. I'll pour some spring onions, and I will now pour the boiled shrimps and the pomo that I boiled earlier. I will now give the pottage a very good stir for all the mendel to marry together. Voila, my pottage yam is ready. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, lovelies.